All right. So why would I follow this agreement? Because I'm assuming that's a judgment satisfied.
It is, Your
All
Honor.
right. Why would I do that?
Your Honor, she's contesting the charges that she picked up in Medina County. She does admit, though, that she left the county without permission and remorseful for that. And is looking to put this matter behind her.
Oh, I'm not, just so everybody understands, I'm not considering anything else on the motion. I'm just considering violation of condition number 6. Has she done anything on probation? Has she completed anything? You want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Anna Marie, but because you took that away from me, that's the only.
Oh, no, I don't know. Everybody knows I do not allow people to work as home health care providers. So why would I follow this agreement?
It is, Your
All
Honor.
right, why would I do that? Why don't you call probation and tell them?
Welcome to the Court of Justice.
Court is calling 2023 CR 7787, State of Texas versus Anna Marie Delarosa. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
State.
Defense?
Ray Lopez for the defense.
All right. And are you Ms. Delarosa?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Anna Marie Delarosa who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 7787 for the offense of burglary of a building with intent to commit theft on April 30th, 2024 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Your Honor, the state wishes to proceed on violation of condition number 6. On or about the 10th day of July 2024, the defendant, Anna Marie Delarosa, departed Bexar County without the written permission of the court and or supervision officer in violation of condition number 6.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
We waive and abandon all of this, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 6, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 6?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 6 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. It is for to grant the state's motion, enter an adjudication of guilt against the defendant, revoke her community supervision, and sentence her to 232 days in the Bexar County Jail under Texas Penal Code 12448.
All right. So why would I follow this agreement? Because I'm assuming that's a judgment satisfied.
It is, Your
All
Honor.
right. Why would I do that?
Your Honor, she's contesting the charges that she picked up in Medina County. She does admit, though, that she left the county without permission and remorseful for that. And is looking to put this matter behind her.
Oh, I'm not, just so everybody understands, I'm not considering anything else on the motion. I'm just considering violation of condition number 6. Has she done anything on probation? Has she completed anything? You want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Anna Marie Delarosa.
All right, what have you done on probation?
I reported to probation. I've also been looking for work, like as said on my probation. I had work in line, but considering that I left.
Why did you leave the county?
I had to go and pick up my sister-in-law from where she was at because she got stranded. So that was.
Why don't you call probation and tell them,
Well,
I need to go pick up my sister?
I mean, I didn't think it was an issue and a problem because I didn't think I was violating probation at that time. And she just needed a ride, so I went to go and get her. So, I mean, I didn't see where there was a problem or an issue at that moment in time because it was just going and picking her up. And that was I didn't see that there was a problem.
Did you start on your parenting classes?
No, I have there was a parenting class that was in line for there,
No, my question is, did you start your parenting classes?
No, ma'am, I didn't.
All right.
But the reentry program does have those parenting classes, and so I just had to wait to get into that
Were
program.
you in felony drug court?
No, they said they denied me because I don't have no drug issues since 2017. My case wasn't related to drug issues.
And
I didn't
you're
come
not
in on no drug
employed?
charges or anything, so they drug court denied me because I have no drug.
Have you been
charges.
employed since April 30th, 2024?
Have I been employed?
Yes, since you've been on probation, have you ever had employment?
Well, my probation officer was supposed to check in with you because I have a history of working through a providing agency, but because you took that away from me, that's the only.
Oh, no, I don't know. Everybody knows I do not allow people to work as home health care providers when you're on probation for a felony. Everybody knows that. So my question is, have you had employment since April 30th, 2024?
No, so I was looking forward.
All right, so that's a no. Did you report to probation
I
since
did tell-
April 30th,
I did tell-
2024?
Yes, ma'am, I did. And I was also calling the hotline like it was told to do. I was doing my conditions as followed. Yes, I was.
Any other questions?
And I also called my probation officer to let her know where I was at. I tried contacting her several times and stuff. So, I mean, I did everything that I was supposed to do. I do have job lines followed as well when I get out of here too.
But you haven't had an employment since April 30th, 2024. Any questions?
Ms. Delarosa, did you complete your TAP evaluation as
Yes.
ordered by the-
Yes, ma'am. Everything was done.
When do you recall doing that?
When I was incarcerated in Bear County. It was a top evaluation, and then it was followed through drug court, which they denied me because, like I said, they said because I don't have no drug history, there was no reason for me to then allow me to take that course.
And then, so you were released from custody in June of 2024, does that sound right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then you were ordered to submit to drug testing in July of 2024. Do you recall that?
For the phone.
Yes.
Yes, and I was calling every day like I was told up until the time that I got placed into Medina County.
Okay.
And then I was there for 4.5 months.
So are you aware that your probation officer stated that you failed to submit to drug testing on July 12th, 19th, and 26th of 2024?
Because I was already incarcerated.
You were already incarcerated in July. And then are you aware that your probation officer is alleging that you struggled with calling the UA hotline as you were instructed to do?
If I wasn't incarcerated, how was I able to call the hotline?
So when were you incarcerated?
July 12th, 2024.
But before that, are you aware of any that your probation officer is alleging that you were having trouble, calling in on the UA hotline?
Because I was already incarcerated in July.
Or your incarceration?
There was no, I was calling every day. There shouldn't have been a reason why.
All right, any questions?
Yeah.
Probation,
That's good.
what is probation's recommendation?
Judge, the court summary indicates they want revocation.
All right. Any objection to the court reviewing the court summary?
No.
Thank you. All right, thank you. The court is going to grant the motion, find you guilty. The court will revoke. The court will sentence you to 14 months in the state jail facility. Give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Veronica Garza or 1803 Macaulay, MCCAULEY, San Antonio, Texas, 78224. And no contact with Jose Gutierrez. I'm sorry, with Grace Rocha and Jose Gutierrez. And Raquel Puente. All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are in deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, good luck to you. Is calling 2024 CR 010655, State versus Lou Vincent Martinez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Alexandria Boggs for the state.
Defense?
Edward Stanberg for the defendant.
All right, and are you Mr. Martinez?
Yes.
All right, counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Martinez, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney?
Speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
I told him about
Okay. Do you understand what you're charged with?
Yes.
All right, counsel, do you waive the reading of the
it.
indictment?
We do read waive it.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Martinez, did you review the court admonishments and waivers with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with assault on a family or household member with a previous conviction? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you. Did you understand?
Yes.
All right, so here's the thing. I want you to focus and listen, all right? So the state has made you an offer. Do you understand that?
Yes.
I don't have to follow that offer. Do you understand that?
Yes.
If I don't follow your offer and give you something more than you bargained for example, they're offering you deferred adjudication.
Oh.
If I were to say, I'm not giving you deferred adjudication, I'm giving you a conviction, I am not following your agreement and I'm giving you something else than you bargained for, that's more of a punishment. Do you understand?
Yes. Yes.
All right. If I were to do that, you can withdraw your plea. Do you understand?
Okay.
No,
Yes.
do you
Yes.
understand?
Yeah.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you're giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case? Did you understand if I were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason you're revoked, I could sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he is currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Martinez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, absolutely.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's a $1,500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. With an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
With an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent. Did you understand?
If you get a divorce, she's gonna be the primary.
Oh, okay.
Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to proceed with this plea?
Yes.
And did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense is at the plea.
Yes.
State is at the plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
I signed everything and she went over everything with me. So,
All right. Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 3 years. There be 40 hours of community service restitution, no harmful or injurious contact with Deidre Martinez, the BIPP course, TAP evaluation, mental health evaluation, and follow all recommendations. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay,
I
thank
have
you.
something for you.
All right, thank you.
State's offering his prior, it's not a conviction, it was deferred probation for a misdemeanor. And before you even asked for it, we had both said, you offer it and I won't object.
All right.
Okay.
So, State, do you have any evidence to support the defendant's, support the defendant's plea?
Yes. State office states Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection.
All right, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Please, yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
My client is so sorry that this event happened and it'll never happen again. He expresses remorse.
All right, so I have a few questions for you.
Yes, ma'am.
So I read in the police report, I see that there's a request by the state that there be a mental health evaluation.
Yes, ma'am.
So have you been receiving mental health treatment at the jail?
Yeah, I'm taking the Prexa. That's pretty much it. I've seen the doctors and nurses, but I haven't seen specifically a psychiatrist or.
All right, when you're out of custody, do you have a case manager?
No, I don't. My wife's a disabled vet. She's 100% permanent total, and I'm just still getting on my feet, moving. So pretty soon, I should have somebody. Wait, a case manager?
Yes.
No.
You know, that's somebody to make sure that you take your medications and somebody that you can call and somebody that can sort of advocate.
No. Yeah.
He wants one though.
So what is your history? Are you military or no?
No. I'm gonna be her caregiver. They just changed the law to where she can. I won't be able to be her caregiver. Why not?
I mean, I don't allow that. You're here for an assault and it's assault against her. I understand you were going through a mental health episode, but
Can we delay that finding and present you more evidence on what her condition is, what she requires, what he would be required to do? Can you just hold that thought in abeyance, and I'm happy to come back with more information.
All right, do y'all want to come back on a different day for sentencing?
No, I want to do sentencing today. He's in jail.
Well, see, the thing about the no harmful or injurious contact,
Yeah.
I don't do that on family violence cases unless I have a chance to speak with the complainant, because I don't know what's going on in the household.
Well, actually, he's going to Haven for Hope when he gets out.
Okay, all right. It's a $1,500 fine. It'll be probated, affirmative finding of family violence, 3 years deferred adjudication, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. There's to be no contact with Deidre, DEDRA.
But we need to contact her.
That's my wife.
No, but what I'm saying is I cannot, and I want you to sort of see it from my perspective, right? If I have somebody who's accused of beating up somebody else,
Keep her.
all right, that doesn't make it, yeah. So you've been accused of assaultive behavior before, and you've been on deferred for that, and it was family violence. I don't know who that was against. All right, so.
Don't talk about that.
Yeah. So now you're before me and there's another assaultive offense. Now I know the state is saying no harmful or injurious contact, but guess what? I don't know the complainant. I haven't had any discussions with the complainant. The only thing I know is what's in the police report that has been submitted to me. Now, if you all want to go forward with sentencing today, I'm going to order no contact. If the complainant comes in, I can talk to her at another point. But when you leave here today, it's going to be no contact. And if you contact, that's going to be a violation.
You give me your. We'll do it today, and I'm going to file a motion to see you later.
Okay. All right. There's to be no contact with Deidre Martinez.
Even though you're not following our plea agreement, right?
No, I mean, that's outside the plea.
Oh.
Yeah.
Do you want to make it inside the plea?
I can tell y'all this. Y'all put this inside the plea bargain agreement. I'm not going to follow it.
Okay, that's fine.
So,
I'll file a motion.
all right. So there's to be no contact with Deidre Martinez. The BIPP course. There's to be a TAP evaluation
When we finish.
and a mental health evaluation. That can be done out of custody. Follow recommendations. If for some reason the recommendation is for inpatient treatment, you can bring it back and we'll have a discussion about it. Proof of employment or SSI within 45 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. There's to be field visits 1 time per month for 6 months.
He has kids with his wife.
And what are their ages?
14, 15. I have one that's 18 and one that's 24, 25.
All right. And there's going to be 80 hours of community service restitution.
So I'll file a motion for you to reconsider all those things after I talk to his wife.
Probation, is there anything else?
No, Judge.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Yes, he's going to get his lawyer to do that for him.
All right. But do you need anything? Because
Yes.
she's not going to be reporting to probation. You are. So is there anything else that you need help with?
No.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because, yeah, I did follow it. And because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have your court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question of what those items are, you need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yeah.
We can go off the record. In this court, to be successful on probation, communication is key. If there's an issue, let your probation officer know. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back to the court. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. And I'm sorry, Bashan, can you refer him to Center for Healthcare Services? All right. All right. Thank you.
She walked in thinking a deal was already done, but Judge Stephanie Boyd wasn't having it. When Anna Delarosa admitted leaving Bexar County without permission, the judge stopped everything and asked, "Why would I follow this agreement?" Then came the brutal truth. No job since April, no parenting classes, and excuses about a stranded sister-in-law. The judge drilled deeper. What have you actually done on probation? The silence said everything. In a single moment, Judge Boyd destroyed the proposed deal and handed down 14 months in state jail. No more chances, no more excuses, just raw accountability. This is what happens when you test Judge Stephanie Boyd and lose.